6.63% higher than the target which was set for the division. And the best ever ticket checking performance, that is also highest for the division, that is at 29.45 crore. And this is the record, best ever rakes per day. That is 53 rakes were loaded in multi division on every day in the last financial year. The freight revenue of this division has been 8,389 crore. This is also the highest for the division. Total divisional revenue is just for all the divisions in East Coast Railway. Next. Total passenger were 12.65 million. In the next year, it has come to 27.86 million, which is also high. It was 8 crore, and this year, with a growth of 132%, we have come to 18.80 crore. And non-fare revenue that railway earns through so many innovative measures, that it has come to 5.53 crore with a growth of 72% as compared to the last year. And the last year, 21-22, it was 16 crore, and this year it has gone up to 29 crore. Now coming to the performance of engineering department. Channel sleeper renewal. Last to last year, it was 1800 kilometers.
Special train, 4 trips for Ganga Pushkaram. So far, for Varanasi from Visakhapatnam. So far, we have not received the consent from Railway Board. It is pending with them. Yesterday also I have taken up the issue. We'll try to change with the authorities and get it done. Yeah, I correct you. Yeah. See, there has been all-out efforts, as you know. The day the new year starts, new financial year starts, we start planning for the whole year. We try to curtail our detention. We try to increase local loading wherever there are scarcity of rakes. We persuade our customers. We hold meeting with them. We try to dovetail our rake availability with their demand. So multifarious action is taken at all levels, starting from the loading point to the divisional headquarters and DRM. We constantly try to evolve and find out ways to increase our loading. We take help from headquarters and railway board. We ask more rakes from them. Then we ask the ports to increase their loading. So the combined effort of everybody from top to bottom has resulted in this sterling success.
Mainly which commodity we are mainly this transporting in this achievement.
See, the major commodities transported over water division are like this coal, iron ore, iron and steel, containers, petroleum, fertilizer, bauxite, etc. But the topper is the coal.
You are study tour of the employees.
Oh yes, we took the praise for the first time in the known history of the division, as you know, and the findings are that the tourism potential is there. And from railway side, we are totally geared up and we are providing all the infrastructure, the train, the stoppages, etc. But state governments have to come up and there has to be substantial hand-holding between railways and state governments to tap the tourism potential. Ropara and Srikakulam. See, there are a few aspects to it. Stainless steel bridges have been conceived over Indian Railways for some time. There have been other places like Mumbai where they have been sanctioned also. But because of our speed, we are the first to introduce, have not only the first, but the second stainless steel bridge put over bridge anywhere in the country. Though there have been projects going on earlier than ours. Now the benefit of stainless steel FOBs are like this. They are more durable, number one. They are more durable. Second is they are more reliable, so failure, etc. will be less. And they are rust-free, corrosion resistant. And we are a coastal